Hey, what's up, guys? All right, welcome back to the channel. So I'm getting right into this. This is really cool. Something I've been playing with in ChatGPT that has been, in my testing, working extremely well. All right, so if you are watching this and you have landing pages that are not converting or giving you an issue with that, or you can't get them to turn out leads or calls, keep watching because this is how you're going to fix that. So I stumbled upon this. Somebody mentioned something in one of the groups I'm in, Facebook groups. I forget which one. It might have been the Go High Level one, or High Level. And how you prompt ChatGPT to go into the customer avatar of the landing page or marketing campaign you're running. So I'm gonna just prompt it here, and I'm gonna riff with it. But I will put this prompt below this video in the description, so you guys can copy it and use it for your own stuff. But it basically spits out a higher converting landing page copy based on what somebody searches in Google. So you'll understand in a second. Sorry if it's confusing. It's very cryptic. Let me just go do the prompt and I'll show you. So for this example, let's say we are a mobile auto detailer because it's a big niche that we're in. So to say you are a consumer searching Google for a mobile auto detailer to come to your home or office to have your vehicle detailed. What would you like to see on the landing page that would make you take an action? Action meaning either calling to book or ask about pricing, or filling out a contact form. I want my landing page to convert at 30% plus. All right, so this is going to be the prompt I'm going to use, and you're going to see that it spits out, it does all this analysis and spits out what it thinks is going to drive the highest action from the landing page based on the copy. And I'm telling you guys, it sounds stupid, but this is working really, really well for us right now. We are testing this in multiple split tests, and so far, it's 10 for 10 of higher converting page using the GPT customer avatar copy. So hit go here. It's going to go do its thing. Spitting out everything. So clear, bold headline. Let it just kind of spit out its thing. And I'll start scrolling, kind of walking through my process because you're definitely going to have to drill down a little bit on what it's telling you. So number one, obviously, mobile auto detailing that comes to you. Home or office in city name. That's actually a fantastic headline. Believe it or not. Very simple, to the point, solves the user's problem when they're searching. Right? And it tells you why. Instantly reassures me that you serve my area and offer mobile convenience. Trust building. We bring the shine to your driveway. Over 500 happy customers served. That's great. We can dig down on that, right? Click the call button. Sticky. Right? If you watch any of my landing page videos, you guys know the highest converting landing pages always have sticky headers or footers or some kind of sticky element, right? Call now for a free quote. Tap to call, book under 60 seconds. So this is actually really great. All this stuff is good. Packages with pricing. So if you want to show pricing, you always do it. And I can't stress this enough, guys. No matter what service you're running Google Ads for, if you have to show pricing, which I don't like doing, but if you have to do it, always do it starting at, and then do your lowest package, your lowest barrier to entry package. Don't say, basic interior vacuum, exterior wash, $3.99, right? Just always do it at your starting price if you're going to show pricing. Really important, because you could scare off people with pricing, but if they just hopped on a phone call with you, they wouldn't be scared knowing more details about the service. Before and after photos, this is great. Social proof section, huge. Google reviews, badges, all that stuff. Tells you what to do on the contact form. Urgency, right? And I highly suggest, if you're not doing it currently, you implement limited/urgency stuff. Yes, that's basic. Trust seals. and it gives you conversion boosters, which is cool, right? Example layout, so all this stuff. So let's say this is great. You can start building your page based on what it tells you, what it spits out here. And honestly, guys, the way I've been doing it is just starting and the header and working my way down the entire page. And I'm not really changing too much of my pages besides the header stuff. So you can start up here, like clear, bold headline, right? So let's say, I mean, I like this one, but let's say you want more options besides whatever it just spits out. Just say, give me 10 more clear, bold headline. Okay. And it's going to give you more headline ideas. So this is what I like to call this drilling down to find more options. And these are all pretty good, to be honest. This is kind of corny, this one, but you can cherry. The point is, guys, it's giving you options that you can cherry pick and mix and match and, create something really cool to test. Now it's saying, would you like subheadlines, matching, and call to action buttons? Yes. Yes, give me 10 sub headlines. And again, now we're just drilling down further for what we could do sub headlines. You don't want to really, if you're really, doing it the way I show you guys how to do it, how to split test things, you're really going to want to do this a lot because you're going to want to test a bunch of different things. But just remember, test one thing at a time. So these are great. From soccer bombs to Teslas, that's pretty good. So again, some of them are corny, so you skip that stuff. But you guys get the idea. You can kind of just work your way down, and you can always put it back into the customer avatar too. Like, you are my customer avatar for my detailing business. What is the biggest needle mover for converting on my landing page? Look at that. It's actually kind of funny. It's like straight out of like Alex Hormozi's $100 million offer stuff, right? The dream outcome. Local, legit, and make your life easier. And this is like, dude, this is such valuable data. Like just taking this stuff and implementing it into a copy of the landing pages. It's next level, right? So it's giving you like a psychological breakdown of what it is and why it works. I don't need a full quote yet, but I do in the ballpark. So starting at removes the fear that this will be $300 plus. Seeing 2 to 3 service tiers shows you're professional and transparent. One tap booking or call will come to your home or office, book in 60 seconds. No phone menus, no long forms, just a big click to call or super short form. So take all of this stuff into consideration, and you can even take this, what it tells you, and say, okay, how would you lay out my page or design the layout for my landing page based on everything you said above? And it will spit out. You can even make it do a visual one. They kind of suck, but you just want to take the copy really from this. So biggest takeaway from this video, guys, use ChatGPT to create your landing page copy, sometimes even layout, right? Based on what the customer avatar is for the service that you are offering. I'm doing this now. It's working extremely well. So you guys should do it too.